Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the drain pump motor on your Samsung top-load washer. If you're experiencing issues like your washer not draining properly, strange noises during the drain cycle, or water not pumping out at all, it might be time to examine this part. Now before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful appliance repair tips. Let's get started and get your washer back to its best performance. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a Flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, a pair of pliers, and a 12mm socket. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top-load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With power safely disconnected, let's dive into troubleshooting our washer's draining issue. So let me show you how we are accessing it. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 5 Phillips screws along the back of the console panel. With the screws removed, the back half of the console will pull away from the console assembly and we can set it to the front. The front console will lift up at the back and we can rotate it so that the face is down. We may have to lift the lid in order to do this. We're also going to go ahead and remove the 3 main control mounting screws with our Phillips screwdriver. Grabbing our Flathead screwdriver, we are going to separate the main control cover from the main control assembly. We are rotating the main control so that the connections face towards the back of the washer. We are locating the yellow wire at the connection CN402, which is a 10-pin connector, and the blue wire at the relay box. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. We are plugging the power cord in and grabbing our meter. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter or want a refresher, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. We are setting our meter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line, and testing from the yellow wire to the blue wire. With our probes in place, we can turn on the washer and set it to a spin-only cycle. If 120 volts is not present after the lid lock locks, the main control has failed. If voltage is present, we will need to continue troubleshooting. We are canceling the cycle and unplugging the power cord. Grabbing our Phillips screwdriver, we are removing the back access panel of the washer. Now before proceeding, you may want to bail out as much water as you can and grab some towels, since we are removing some hoses. We are grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and our pliers to remove the tub to pump hose and the drain hose. We are checking the hoses and the tub port to make sure nothing is clogging the drain path. We are grabbing our 12mm socket and removing the drain pump mounting bolts and sliding the drain pump out. We are lifting the wire cover off of the motor and disconnecting the wires. It is easy to remember which wire goes where because the black wire is going to lay perpendicular to the motor. We are grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the screws that secure the drain pump motor to the housing. We are checking the housing for any clogs that might stop the impeller. If nothing is clogging the drain path or impeller, and there was voltage at the main control, the drain pump has failed. Since we found the drain pump has failed and we already have it apart, let's go through the replacement process. Here's the old drain pump motor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We are inserting the drain pump into the housing and securing it with the screws that we removed. We are connecting the wires and mounting the cover in place, grabbing our 12mm socket and securing it with the bolts. Now we are attaching the hoses back in place and securing them with the clamps that we removed. We are grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and securing the back panel in place. We are grabbing the main control cover and securing it to the back of the main control assembly, then securing that in place with the screws that we removed earlier. We are grabbing the console and rotating it into the top panel, lifting the lid a little bit just to slide it in. Now we are securing the back console panel back to the console with the screws that we removed earlier and then plugging the power cord back in. With that, we are done. Great job on tackling the drain pump motor replacement. We hope your Samsung top-load washer is running smoothly again. Please feel free to share your repair journey in the comments below. We'd love to know how it went. Now if you're in any need of replacement parts, be sure to visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you'll be back up and running in no time. Thanks for trusting us with your repair needs, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.